video, we are quickly going to make a Python program, simple Python program to make a calculator. We have already learned how to define variables, how to take inputs, how to define data types, functions, etc. So this is the first project which we are going to do with whatever we have learned till now. It is going to be very easy. So let's quickly jump onto Visual Studio Code, and if you haven't subscribed it, you can subscribe. I'm preparing the full Python course and helping in other AWS DevOps and other stuff, so do subscribe it, and if you like the video, do hit the like button. So let's jump in. As we know that we are making the program, so simply say calculator program. Okay, sorry for the typing. And calculator program. Okay, next, in the calculator program we need to take inputs from the user. And so what are the inputs we are going to take? So first input would be taking the number. So let's take first number. So we will call first number, and we will take input from the user, and we will say enter first number. That's it. Then we are going to take the second number as the input. So this will be called second number, and we need an operator also. So we would need operator. So what exactly we want to do, right? So again, I'm going to say input the enter the operator, or enter the operator. Okay, so this is very simple, three inputs which we are going to take. And if we are taking these inputs, we have to process this. So what we have to do, we have to check whether the operator is plus or minus or something like that. So for that we need to put a condition. So what will be that condition? So if it is plus or minus whatever, so that is one thing we can do. We can simply take the parameters, and based on that we can perform different operations. And we can say if OP equals to plus, then we want number fn and sn to be added. So what we would say, result equals to fn plus sn, and then we can return this value. We can return this value. What we can return? Result. So this is very simple step, and we need to put here colon, and that's it. So this is one condition. Then we can say elif, and we can put our next condition, and let's copy paste. Again we have to say elif, and okay, 4 times. So let's say it's minus. If op equals to minus, then we are going to do fn minus sn. If op equals to multiply, then we have to do multiplication here. If it is divide, then we have to do divide here. And now we need to perform this operation. Oh sorry, I'm using return. Then we can use return if only we are using it as a function. So since function is not something which we have learned here as of now, so what we will do, we will return, and in the next part when we complete the function also, then we can take it and then we can return it. Otherwise, as of now, this one is fine and this one is fine. Okay, so that's it. And whatever is result, then we can print it here. Print result. We can print result. So should we run it? Let's go ahead and run. So it says enter your first number, so let's say 5, enter second number, let's say 2, and the operation is plus. So it is adding, but it is adding as a string. So to make sure that this is not a string, uh, okay, so make sure that this is not a string. We have to convert it into integer. So this is casting. We have to cast it. We have to make it integer. Then only it will be able to perform the operations correctly. So let's try again. And this time also, let's say first number is 6, second number is 3, and let's perform plus. We can get 9. We can create some kind of space here so that it is a bit readable. And let's try to run one more time. This time let's say 10 and 5, and let's say divide, so it's 2. So you can see it is working. You can make it at your own pace, and you can use either Visual Code Studio Code, or maybe I have provided a online editor also. So if you don't have this setup, you can use online editor also. So within 5 minutes we have prepared this calculator program. We can improve it further when we learn more about Python. So as of now, it's a very simple program. Try it.